Baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally here. I finally am here in my baby's nursery filming the nursery tour. So I just wanted to quickly just give you like a little background of like my idea. So I was not going for a safari theme. So if you see quite a few animals, just know I was not going for the safari theme. To me, it's not safari theme at all. I just wanted something that was like neutral, but like cool, but like fun, but like not like traditional. So that was my vibe. I love it here. It's my favorite room. Yeah, I just want to show you my baby's nursery. I'm gonna have everything linked down below. So check the description box if there's anything that you want. If there's something that I didn't link, let me know and I'll link it. But I'm pretty sure I can link everything. So let's get started. It's not a big room, so I'm gonna show you in sections. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the dresser area. So the vibe I was going for his dresser was simple but like cute. That's my vibe for everything. But I knew I wanted a regular dresser. I didn't want a changing table because I figured a regular dresser, you get more use out of it. So when as he grows older, like he has a dresser instead of having to get a new one after a changing table. You know what I mean? This is the mom dresser from IKEA. I'm gonna have it linked down below. I knew I wanted cause I was kind of going for like a boho, but like neutral, but like cool guy type vibe. So his changing mat or changing pad is a Moses basket, and it's from Walmart actually. I love it, and I feel like it fits that like boho type vibe I was going for. And it has a cute little rainbow on the end because you know he's my rainbow baby. It comes with an actual like basically like a mattress pad underneath, and this right here you'll see the cover matches his crib sheet. So I thought that was cute. So I did a poll on Instagram asking you guys like if you guys wanted to see how I organized his drawers, or if it was not necessary to show, but majority of you guys said yes. And I also did a poll on YouTube, but you guys want to see it, so let me show you. On this side of his drawers, I keep like all of his like long onesies, like his long sleeve footed onesies. I keep them in here, and then also his pants. He doesn't have a lot of pants, so I have them in here also. But I also have like his white onesies in here. And then in this middle drawer is all of his like shirts and like obviously onesies, like all of his shirts, and I have size, he's in newborn and 0 to 3 months. And then his Pampers are over here. These two drawers down here, they don't really have much use yet. They're things that he doesn't fit yet, such as like 6 months and like sizes that he can't wear yet. But I just store all that in here. So in here, it's a little bit more like chaotic. But I keep a bunch of, I got a pack of these. I don't even know what these are called, but they're a bunch of like cloth, like they can be used as like cloth diapers, or I'm gonna try to find them down below, but they're so necessary because we use them for burping cloths. We just use them for so many different things. But his mittens, more burping cloths on this side, and then here is his like socks and bibs and hats. And then over here, I don't know if you can really see, but we keep like his towels and robes and things like that. And then again, this drawer isn't really used as just storage for like clothes he can't fit yet. On the bottom is like all swaddles and blankets and things like that. So on his dresser, I have like some, I have his wipe warmer, a caddy that's from IKEA. It's like $3. Love it. And I keep his creams and everything inside. This side I have like, this is a nightlight. I love this nightlight. It actually, I believe it's from Target also. This K was a decoration piece from our gender reveal, because we knew his name was Kai, whether it was a girl or boy. But this is like a keepsake, like little like box thingy. It was a baby shower gift, and we keep like special like moments in there, like his hospital tags and like things like that, his umbilical cord. And then these little booties, my job had threw me a baby shower, and these little booties were on the cake and on the bottom. I have to fill them out actually, but you can put like the name, date, weight, and length of your baby, and just a candle. I believe that's from IKEA. And I just keep the diaper bag over there. And then here's an up close view of the changing mat. And then on the side of the dresser, we have his diaper pail. I want to quickly talk about the wipe warmer and the diaper pail. So when I was pregnant, I did a lot of research on like newborn essentials and like what you should get for your baby or like what you shouldn't get. A lot of people are always telling, you know, pregnant women like, you don't need a wipe warmer, it's not necessary, or the diaper pail is not necessary. I'm gonna speak for myself and my family. We absolutely love the wipe warmer and the diaper pail, okay? For one, the diaper pail, it's convenient. We do all his changes in here. Now, if you don't do your changes in a designated area, I understand and I can see how you say it's not necessary because you're all over the house. However, we mainly change him in here. Like, I don't think we've probably changed him downstairs like once or something, but we actually have a second diaper pail to keep downstairs in case we needed to. But we do majority of our changes in here, and it just makes sense for us to have a diaper change or diaper pail, and it's just, you just toss it in. I love it, and I love this one in particular, and I'm gonna link it down below. The wipe warmer, now I've heard a lot of people say like that's not necessary. I believe it's necessary because for one, think about it, cold wipes, warm wipes. Your little baby's bum will love a warm wipe, especially at nighttime if he's asleep. You're changing him and you put a cold wipe on him, it's gonna, you know, he kind of catches him off guard, might cry, wake up. But I mean, I feel like it's common sense. Warm, cold, it feels so much better with a nice warm wipe when they're a little tushy. So yes, I highly recommend diaper pail and the wipe warmer. Again, I'll have both linked down below. I believe they're both by Munchie. Next, I want to talk about the rocking chair. So this little corner of his room, I love this room. You guys have seen me sit in this room. You didn't get the full picture though. So here is like the dresser area. We have one picture, it comes in the pack of 6, and then these 3, and then those 2. But I'm gonna have them linked down below also. So his chair is from Target. I actually originally saw it on Wayfair, but it's from Target. So the little side table was like $15 from IKEA. I felt like it was perfect. I needed something, just if I'm sitting next to him or if we're in the chair and I have a drink, or just, I feel like a little side table is necessary. And then this little basket full of blankets. The poof is also from, where is it from? Wayfair. I also have like a little basket like with his like books and like toys for what we have now. I eventually want to get a bookshelf to put like on the wall, but that's to come in the future. But okay, so his rugs. The cream rug is from Rugs USA or Ruggable. I don't remember which one. And then the ABC mat is from Etsy. Me and Quan thought it was so cute, and I absolutely love it. Here's a close-up of the paintings on the wall. Thought they were so cute. This chair is actually really comfortable because the back is kind of like high, and it's a nice soft material, and it rocks and swivels. So now I want to quickly talk about his crib. So his crib is from Baby List. No, that is a registry. The crib is from Wayfair also. It's Baby Leto. Sorry, that's the brand. The chair is Baby Leto also. So the chair and the crib are both Baby Leto. But I actually saw the photo on, or saw the crib on a Pinterest photo when I was looking at inspo for baby boy nurseries, or just the boho type theme. I love like the color of the wood with the white. Love it. This giraffe, this big old hefty giraffe, it's huge. This big giraffe was a gift from my mom. I'm not sure where it's from. I think she got it from Nordstrom. I'm not sure. His hamper is from IKEA. It was like $5 or $3. His mobile is from Amazon. Love it. And look. Isn't that so cute? And I like how the colors are like muted and not super like wild. Here's a close-up of the crib. So his crib sheet, again, like I said, matches the changing pad. It's from Target. These little stuffies were like gifts and things. These two were a gift, but I believe it's from Target, and that's from Target, and that's from IKEA, the little football. This little blanket was a gift also, and it says baby. Here's another close-up of the other two photos. Love, love, love. So, the fun part, his wall isn't it so cute? So I know I wanted to do like an accent wall for like as far as wallpaper. The wallpaper, it's a peel and stick wallpaper, and it's from Wall Blush. I saw them, or I found them on Instagram. A little pricey, but hey, so cute. It's the focal point, and you guys know how he really likes these stripes. Now in the picture online, if you look, it shows like black and like navy blue stripes. This looks like black, okay? But I promise you, look at the picture that I link. It's navy blue and black. And I originally didn't want like the traditional like blue. Like I'm not like, that's not my vibe, painting the wall blue. Like me and Quan went through a whole thing, but he liked it. He likes my ideas. But he would have been happy if I painted the whole room blue, but that's not what it's not what we're doing. So I was trying to compromise, and I was like, okay, black and blue stripes, that's cute as an accent wall, that we're incorporating some blue. Hold on, so you can see his name. It's probably like backwards, but whatever. And then the letters Quan found on Amazon, his name, and you can customize it. I didn't know you can customize things on Amazon, but yeah. The Kai sticker is from Amazon. So the black and white stripes, you guys know how like it's like a developmental thing, like the contrast is good for babies. He stares at this. When we lay him in the crib, he stares at the wall. He really likes it. But yeah, that's everything in here. I feel like this tour was all over the place. I really hope when it comes to edit, it's not hard, because it was not easy to like maneuver this big tripod. I would love Quan to have like been in here like following me around, but he's with the baby. They're asleep. It's like 8 in the morning, and this is when I could do it. Yeah, I hope you guys like it. I feel like this was so choppy, but maybe not when I like edit it and everything. But yeah, guys, I absolutely love this room. I'm in here all the time. I'm so happy to have finally like showed you guys like this is the vibe. Like, is that not cute? I'm happy to have finally shared and showed this with you guys. It literally took me so long, but it did not take long to film at all. But yeah, I don't know. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below, message me on Instagram. I'm all ears. And I love this room so much, not only because it's my baby's room, but it's like the first room like I fully like decorated like on my own, that I finished. Because I tend to like start to decorate things like such as my bedroom and things, but not finish it. But like I was like, this is gonna be finished. It was not done before he was born. However, things take time. So don't feel like you need to have a fully furnished, put together nursery before your baby gets here. Of course, that's ideal if you want that. I wanted that, and we pretty much had everything like together, but like little things such as decor, like the paintings on the wall, we didn't have that. It actually took me a while to find something. My mom actually found these, and I got the frames also, because they're like, the pictures itself, it's a pack of 6. I can't talk. I'll have them linked down below. I love them so much. But they come separate from the frames, because if you can buy them framed, but it was like more. The 6-pack of frames were only $20. So I feel like that was perfect, and I have them hung up with command strips. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this nursery tour. I hope I helped you out in any way. Feel free again to look down below. I'll have everything linked down below as much as I can. Yeah, if there's something that I forgot to link, just ask me and I got you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I love you. Thank you so much for 4,000 subscribers. It means a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna vlog today, so I'll see you soon, girl. I'll see you soon, okay? Love you.